Hello everyone, Hariharan from Indicator Master and Guider. Many people and many friends are asking to post in English language. That's what I am posting here one more time. Okay, so our Telegram channel is given here and WhatsApp number also given here. Any doubts or clarity, do the WhatsApp or do the Telegram channels. Okay, right. We can go for next thing. This is the subject about crude oil weekly analysis for intraday analysis for next week intraday support. Okay, this is the main thing concept, right? So this pure analysis based on Fibonacci level. How this Fibonacci level is working, that is I will explain to you now, right? So this is the one of the training I'm taking it. So first time in English language I'm telling it. Okay, it is a purely online. Okay, so one to one only I will have the online any desk or Teamweaver I will do it. Okay, it is not like a PPT or something. It is directly it is in a trading terminal. Any new person is coming inside, they basically don't know how to set that indicators or something. Okay, this is a thing which is I am using as a settings and everything I will do and I will give it to you. This charges will be nominal charges. I will charging same things only as a service point of view. Okay, so crude oil intraday, how to do it, or where is the entry point, or where you need to exit like that, and Fibonacci how to draw. Okay, so that is also I will explain to you. So swing high, swing low, everything I will explain and draw, and which is the no trade zone, which is the trade zone, and last week what point of view we need to take. That is also I will take. Then super trend setting with the cloud setting also I will taking it. Okay, fine. We can go for yeah. Okay, we can go for our subject, right? Okay, so last week I have posted this YouTube of crude oil live level. One level YouTube I have posted. So for last week performance, how it will react. So according to that, okay, we said clearly breaking 2554 this level. This is the drawing based on Fibonacci level. You don't get confused. Okay, so some of the things I will remove, right? Even super trend also I will take it out, right? Okay, so I have explained here. 1 minute, I will show something, right? Okay, so I have denoted here breakpoint is 2554. According to that, okay, the price has come down. Okay, so same case after coming down, this as per the Fibonacci level I have given here no trade zone also I have mentioned here. After that sell point will start like that. I have explained in that video, right? So after that I said clearly 23% the retrace will take and will go up, and be careful on this zone and you don't trade it, but you take the trade on this 61.8 is the golden ratio level. So according to that you can take like that. We have explained it, right? So same case this performance was happened, right? Same case you can see this down also come and stand here for 50%. Okay, the same yellow line which is I drawn in that last week. So same retracement it has taken and it is gone up to the next level, right? So this is happened last week. Okay, same which is we have discussed in that video, right? I will explain here in our Telegram channel. I have shared some of the things. Crude oil breaking level 2554 performance. This level shared yesterday video also I have given it. According to that it has break. Okay, so same case yesterday our channel power level has shared that power level also. So selling level how much, buying level how much. The selling level morning has completed and buy level it was pending, and the evening again started for uptrend. Okay, so the buying level if you see here 2540, Okay, the target, primary target, we have given it to 557. Okay, so same case, our you can see here. Okay, so same case, it has come and rest on this area 2510. After that it has gone up, right? So even you can look it here, the stop loss is a 507. Okay, but our chart. Okay, so our chart also, it is a 510, it is not a 507. Okay, so in this case there is no worry at all. We can haram say we can take the trade, or otherwise if you entry here also one trade and wait for that second trade option also will go. Okay, according to this calculator, okay, which is we are having, many time you can take the trade according to our levels. Okay, this levels comes means our performance, trend performance will be strong. Okay, so that is the thing is our plus, right? So this what I have explained last week. Okay, coming week, what is the analysis we need to do, that is I will discuss now, right? Before that, some new people will be available. Just you can view here, is it is our channel. Okay, so many training videos are available, but Tamil language. Okay, so you can see that settings and how we are doing it, so that is will be understandable. It is through the operations, right? So that will be good. Okay, so you try to use it, otherwise I will, the coming days I will post in English language. There is no issue at all. Regarding analysis, what we'll do is, okay, I have drawn here for you can see for the clarification. Okay, the crude oil analysis for 25 to 29 May, for the week of trading 1 to 5 June. Okay, 1 to 5 June is right. So for this 1 to 5, okay, so 25 to 29, what happens in the market? Okay, that is we need to understand. From that happening, we need to predict the market for next week. Okay, so I have bottom side, I have marked here the dates, right? 25, 26 up to 29 I have marked, and I have drawn the Fibonacci for this swing high and swing low. Okay, so from this level, I have drawn here many levels. Okay, so from my chart you can very difficult to understand. Okay, how I am drawing. For many people are asking how to draw like that, many commands is coming. For that I will post today with a fresh drawing like. Okay, so here you can see the days. Okay, so these days is last week. This is a fresh drawing I took for you, right? So this is the day which is happened here. Bottom side you can see this is 25th, it is the evening market, up to 29 which market is happened, right? So in this market I am going to show the first. Before drawing this Fibonacci drawing, we need to understand the market is which side. Okay, now the market is in uptrend base. Okay, how we can say that is uptrend? The daytime chart, if you see, it is the candle is in bullish candles, and last day also it is a bullish. Many bullish is we are finding it here, so that's why we are telling it this is bullish market. Okay, simple. Okay, basic people, we can understand like this way, and experienced people, they can do it in different way. Okay, so don't confuse it, it is a bullish. Many green we are seeing, that is bullish. Okay, so we can Fibonacci also we can keep for a bullish side, right? Okay, so some of the drawing I have shown in the previous videos, you can see there and analyze, right? So that will be better. I will draw today for you the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, just have blue line swing high, swing low. I have marked the blue line. I have marked in the sense from this day 25 to 29. Where is cursor has gone? I will show the fork. Right. Okay. This is 25. This is 25 trading to 29 trading. Okay, so from this I marked top edge and bottom edge. This is called swing low and swing high. Okay, so you can understand easily. I will draw now the Fibonacci. So I will take the tool from here, this tool pick box. Okay, so Fibonacci retracement, I selected it. So I am going to select the bottoms, sorry, from top. This is an uptrend. Okay, so I will take it to uptrend in the sense from top to I am select bottom, but the trend is going upward directions. I am changing to it is a reverse mode. Okay, so now I'll get the level for uptrend. Okay, you can find it here. The retracement I changed to reverse side, right? Okay, so what is going to happen now? Okay, after that I marked, many people doesn't know what it is, right? So I will explain now. Okay, this level I have marked for Tamil preparations. I have done it, so same I will going to till here also. Okay, after marking, what this marking will help to us, that is we need to understand. Okay, so if you see here, okay, the golden ratio number, the color is very light here, that's why you cannot able to see. This is golden ratio level 68 level. Okay, 61.8. Okay, so this golden ratio level, once it is crossed, already crossed, now 78 percentage it is standing. If it is standing 2579, okay, and healthy standing, if it happens, it go and touch, okay, 2634. Okay, so 2634 is 100 percentage. Okay, so this will first will go. Second, if it is breaking 2634, this will go up to 2790. This is will predict the market for next week. Okay, so price has to stand to 2579, then 2634 has to touch. If touches, the price may be will come down for market saturation point. Okay, so this where it this definitely will come, definitely the market will come to here 2535. Okay, so that's what arrow mark I have shown here. If breaking from this point to this point first, after touching and standing, this point will go up. Okay, if not happens, the price will turn from here to here. Okay, so after turning, this retracement, definitely market will go like this only. Retracement will take and go here if it is in uptrend. If not uptrend, definitely this will break and go to this level. Okay, so you can keep this is a all level. If we say and discuss in the sense next week, if happening in the market, that will support to us. Okay, so this drawing will help to you where this will break in the sense 2634 breaks 2790. If not breaking in the sense sell below 2490 will come. After that the price will go to 2438. So this is our prediction 2438. Okay, so this level will touch. Okay, so be careful while trading. Okay, now it is in a sideways of slow movement of market. Okay, so people's I will post the level in my telegram channel. Okay, so you can get the support. Okay, so for that sake of understanding point of view. Okay, so same case, happy trading. It is one of the thing I forgot to tell you. It is a no trade zone I have mentioned here. No trade zone in the sense, in this particular percentage point of view, you should not trade. Okay, what is that level no trade zone? In the sense 25242 1 minute 2524. Okay, to 1 minute, this level to 2491. This level, if in this level between, if you are getting the entry point, buy or sell side, don't enter. Okay, you go 2490 below only sell. Okay, in between 91 also you don't go because dangerous for zone, right? Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, please subscribe our channel who are all seeing the first time in my video. Thank you.